Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Tecno Pova 6 Pro and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open your smartphone, tap on Google Chrome application and choose three dots on the right corner. There, scroll and choose settings, where we have our password manager selection, and there we have password which our smartphone save. Maybe to our Facebook account. We must click it. Click on it. Now we must enter root screen to get connected to these passwords. And after we press this first icon, we can copy our username and passwords, or after we choose this eyes icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also show this password to someone, your friends or someone by this icon, or we can edit all by tap on edit, and now we can edit our username, passwords, and we can add note. But remember, when you change something, press save. You can also delete all by delete and confirm it by delete, and you delete password which your smartphone remember. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!